media people with us tonight and all our esteemed guests, I'm sure.
Actress, but for me, I personally love to write, and that's the only time I buy myself books and pencils and things like that. Now I'll make sure that I go and check out some of their stuff. But I like she said, I've really gone through all the things, and it does make me a bit nostalgic, where I go back in my childhood, and I wish we really had these funky things back then. You know, all the things that are available now for kids. Back then for us, it wasn't so funky to be studying and to be doing cool things in the office. But I still can manage. I'm going back to New York Film Academy, and that's when I can, you know, some of this stuff I can really use.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so very much. And now before we go ahead, before we have some media people over here who would like to, you know, question something about Crux and, of course, Kangna.
To be honest, मेरा as a brand, जब मुझे किसी चीज़ के लिए बुलाया जाता है, जैसे ओपनिंग के लिए या जिस तरह से इसको किसी तरह से इसका प्रचार करने के लिए, तो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मैं उसकी पूरी डेप्थ में जाती हूँ, क्योंकि वो मुझे लगता भी नहीं कि मैं उसके लायक हूँ या उसके लिए मैं क्वालिफाइड हूँ या उसके काबिल हूँ. लेकिन ऑन ह्यूमन लेवल जो मुझे अपील करता है, जैसे कि मैंने आपको अभी एक्सप्लेन किया, I think it's nice to be associated with a brand like that, but I do avoid things like fairness cream and, you know, जो कि like in your face for me is very very wrong morally. मुझे ये बहुत क्लियरली याद है, और कई बार मैं अपनी बहन के साथ डिस्कस भी करती हूँ कि जब मैं छोटी थी तो मुझे बुक्स से बहुत प्यार था और बहुत लगाव था, अभी भी है. और जैसे बुक्स के पेजेस स्मेल करते हैं नए बुक्स के, तो आई यूज़ टू स्मेल इट फॉर आवर्स. और फिर मुझे अभी भी याद है जब पहले दिन मैं स्कूल जाती थी, यानी यूज़ टू गेट न्यू बुक्स, जब मैं छोटी सी थी 3-4 साल की, तो मुझे लगता था सिर्फ मुझे ही मिले हैं ये बुक्स और किसी को नहीं मिले हैं, सिर्फ मैं ही 3rd स्टैंडर्ड में हुई हूँ या 2nd स्टैंडर्ड में और कोई नहीं हुआ है. And every time I used to go to class and open my new books and see everyone have new books, I used to cry. Okay, everyone is in 3rd standard now. So my teacher used to ask me, why are you crying? So I never used to tell anyone, but I used to really feel hurt. Okay, everyone has new pencils and new books. This is of characters. Okay, so the thing is that it's not that I am inclined to doing one kind of characters. If you see, I've done everything from playing a superwoman to a woman who's been very, very unsure of herself, to playing a traditional role in Tanu Veds Manu, then to playing a supermodel. Then now I am doing something which is very exciting called Revolver Rani. This character is actually a character of a neurotic. And the woman who we are going to see, and the film that we are going to see is very, very exciting. Just like Ved Prakash Sharma's novels on, you know, like those small railway stations that you see. That's the kind of treatment that film is carrying. It's very exciting. It's total pulp. The woman is neurotic, negative, brutal, and very exciting. Very, very different than Queen. I'm very excited about that as well.
And we are extremely thankful to Kangna for taking out all the time for us. All the very best to you. We wish you a very good photo session. And right after that, the stage will be all open for all our entertainers.